So can I make money online if I'm not in the US? So this is actually a question I get all the time. Right now I'm in Dubai actually. So this is the Dubai marina behind me. There are people skydiving over there. And I'm on the beach. I'm at 5 Palm Jumeirah. And this is, just to give you guys perspective, this is one of the richest cities in the world. I'm not in the US right now, and I'm making money. There is more money outside of the US than there is in the US. So anybody worried about that, there are unbelievable amounts of wealth. So no matter where you're located in the world, you can do extremely, extremely well for yourself. The thing you've got to be asking yourself is, what sort of internet business do I start? What are people purchasing online? People are buying things every day. People prefer to buy things on the internet. Some people would say this is a small market, and some people would say that the Middle East, North Africa region there's not a lot of money in it, and it's a small market. Well, I hope I'm showing you, this is a freaking nice place. And all of this is Middle East, North Africa, the MENA region. Don't let being located outside the US have any effect on you starting a business anywhere. In fact, I would even argue it's much easier. It is much easier to start a business outside of the US than it is inside the US. In the US, for instance, you have insane competition and you have everybody fighting for the same piece of pie. Now, if you start a business outside of the US, you are immediately at an advantage because you are tapping in to less saturated markets, which have tons of people, which have tons of money, and not enough people are servicing them. There's so much enthusiasm out here, and it's a developing nation, so but it's crazy they call it a developing nation when there's so much wealth here and it's so successful already. So I would really encourage you guys, no matter where in the world you're located, and if you think that starting an internet business is hard, it's not. Just do it. Start doing it. There are people with money in your country. There are people with extravagant amounts of wealth. Lots of people are using credit cards, and more people are coming online and getting credit cards and purchasing, looking for their products and services online every single day. If you are located outside the US, look at ideas in the US. Look at what people are marketing in the US and use those same tactics and market them in your own local countries, and you'll immediately be in an advantage. If you're tuning into this channel, my YouTube channel, hopefully you can figure that out. So it's good talking to you guys. Let me know where you're from. Let me know what country you guys are from in the comments below. And I look forward to speaking with all you guys soon. I'm gonna get to my interview, but have a good one, guys.